your hair is your hair. You can change it, you can make revisions, you can make edits as you see fit. What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel where I talk about faith, locks, and more. My name is Laura, and on my channel I teach you different tips and tricks of how to take care of your new locks and natural hair, and I also share content related to faith. So today I will be dyeing my hair jet black. It hasn't been even a month or maybe 2 months since I last dyed my hair. I attempted to go for the red brownish look, but I ended up finding that number one, I was not careful with my application of the dye, so I missed some spots. If you follow me on Instagram, I talk about how my hair was different shades in different places. Number two, the color wasn't really fitting for my skin tone. I feel like I wasn't really happy with the results, so I am looking to change my color to something darker. Now, for those of us who have more of the 1B hair color, you know how frustrating it can be when you want your hair to either be jet black or you want it to be the brown. I really like the clean look of the dark black hair, and I'm really excited for this because we're entering into the fall season, the winter season, and I think this hair color will be perfect for this particular time of the year. Now, you're gonna see me put this hair dye in. I'm using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist hair color, which you'll be able to see on the screen. The box says up to 8 weeks of rich color. I will begin by opening up the box. I bought 2 boxes. I'm not even sure why. Maybe it's because my hair is thicker. Looks like we have the developer. This is the actual hair color. My hair is just in a ponytail. I haven't washed it or anything. Something I remember from when I tried to color my hair before when I had jet black hair, if you have the 1B colored hair and you feel like your edges disappear, they don't look as pronounced. I'll show you what it looks like once the hair is dyed. But when you dye your hair jet black, at least in my experience, it made my edges more pronounced. So we'll see if that's the case once I try it out this time. Why am I kind of nervous about this? I feel like I shouldn't be. So here we are, putting color into the container. And this is the tip that you would cut off or break off. You want to leave it on and shake the color. I am not an expert by any means. If there are people who understand hair and know hair and see that I'm doing something that is not good, we all learn. Then we want to put our gloves on. I'm not a fan of the gloves that come with the hair dye. I usually like a more fitted glove. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get the gloves that I like because I don't have time for these gloves to slip around and get dye on my hands. I will show you the difference between the gloves that I like. These are the ones that I like versus the kind that come with the hair dye. See how these fit onto your hand versus these. They're thinner material. They slide around. They're really annoying. This is what these ones look like. Actually, they've come a long way. They're not too bad, but they do feel like, you know what? I'm gonna try with one glove, the one that comes in the pack, and then I will try with the other one, the ones that I like. These are not bad. They used to be larger before, but these feel like they fit. Okay, so both hair dyes I think should be good. You can see they're already starting to turn color in the bottle. So I'm gonna start applying the hair dye. You just pop the tip off. It just kind of pops off like that. Then let's start the application. This is where I got tripped up last time. I was not careful with making sure. So you see how the color is going through? Some parts do not have color, like right here. So to make sure that everything has color, I'm actually going to bring the hair into a ponytail and just squeeze the hair dye into the middle of it, and then I just put the hair dye in my hair. I've put it up into a bun just so the hair dye can sit there for a little bit. I think I'm gonna wait about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will be back. I'll wash my hair, then I'll come back and show you the final results. I am back with the final result of the hair and I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't remember the last time I felt this way about hair color or a hairstyle, but I love just the contrast of the color. It achieved exactly what I wanted it to achieve. And if I show you my edges, they don't look so bad. They need to be brushed out, of course, but I just love it. I absolutely love it. I feel like this just gives my hair a different feel. I'm gonna turn around and allow you to see. But I am here for this color. I think we're gonna stick with this one for as long as I'm able. The only concern I have right now is as my hair continues to grow in, my roots might look a little bit different than the actual hair color because my natural hair is not this dark. But you know what? That's okay with me. If I have to continue dyeing my hair, I'm fine with that. Or maybe it'll just blend and look fine. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try out color on your hair if it's something that you're interested in doing. Check out my other videos about my lock journey, different things that I've been trying out. But I encourage you to like this video if you liked it. Otherwise, subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. Until the next one.